73. Holy shit. Alright, y'all, so most of you guys don't know, this is my 1998 Honda Civic. I'll give you guys a little walk around on exactly everything that's done to it. I missed a lot of stuff that was done to it, but the video would have went on forever. So I'm gonna go do like a quick breakdown on everything that this car has and what I've done to it. So you guys can get so you guys can know exactly what I did to it. All right, so this is a fully built top to bottom B16 A2 piston rods, everything you could think of, upgraded wrist pins, like literally LMAs, spring valves and retainers, cams, fucking every single bolt in his motor and every single bolt on the top of the head for the cam caps. Everything on his motor is brand spanking new. It currently made 575 on, I believe, 23 pounds of boost. Trans is full rebuild GSR trans. Everything on this is brand new except the gears, because the gears are fine. But yeah, so just a eBay Booster Boys GTX 3582R turbo, great turbo, Edelbrock manifold, custom piping, everything, Mishimoto, 3-inch, I think 3.5-inch intercooler. All this piping was done from my guys over on Fabrication. They did everything on this. They killed it. It's got a one-piece piping all the way to the intercooler, and then from right here, it literally just comes right back up, right there through a back door. Got a regular purple towel, blower valve, towel, wastegate right here. This is 1320 turbo manifold. Running a custom dump tube, if you guys can see. Go from the wastegate all the way around, out through the bumper. Basically, I've done like everything you can think about to this motor. This motor has about 250 miles. It has CSS block. The cylinders have been literally destroyed and have brand new cylinders in there. It's bored over half size, so it's basically a B16.2, I guess. But yeah, so this is how she looks. This is what the paint job looks like from the backyard and everything. Great motor. Right now I'm having a little bit of some situation with the car, but slowly getting to get that worked out. Yeah, so it's my regular ethanol E85 sensor. Lets me read, lets me know how much E85 I have in the car and stuff like that. And then when I want to switch the map, I can switch over the map. But yeah, this is my current build right now. Looks like going through some issues, but yeah, I'm gonna sort it out right now. It's having a no crank start issue, and I keep blowing a fuse, so I'll definitely be figuring that out on the next vlog. But yeah, it's nice, clean. Falcon Zenny tires. I love this thing. The color on this car is pretty different. I have to buff it out so you guys can see a little bit better, but that's the color when the sun hits it. But yeah, I love this thing. Inside is kind of a mess right now because I have stuff all over the place that I'm obviously working on right now. But if you have any questions, anything you guys want to know, feel free to comment down below and I'll answer everybody. But yeah, just want to give you guys a little walk around. Pretty sure I missed a lot of stuff, but yeah, I've done everything you could think about to this thing. Brand new heater core, like spent so much money on this car, but it's come out. All the beauty bolts, every bolt on this thing has a beauty bolt. Shout out to my dude Frank from Downstar for always hooking it up. But yeah, guys, this is my build right here. Feel free to follow. I have a lot more videos coming out on this thing. Gonna be diagnosing this. Also to figure out what the issue is on this current car right now. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Like I always say, guys, build to enjoy. Peace out.